Hello students, let's continue the chapter amines. In amines, today's our first topic is physical properties of amines. In physical properties of amine, the first point is intermolecular forces, boiling point and solubility. Students, nitrogen-hydrogen bond in amine is polar. As all of you know what is polar. So NH bond in amine is polar. Why it is polar? Because the electronegativity of nitrogen is 3.0 and hydrogen is 2.1. So there are difference between electronegativity. That's why the NH bond in amine is polar. Due to the polar nature of nitrogen-hydrogen bond, primary and secondary amine have intermolecular hydrogen bonding. As we all are already studied that if hydrogen is attached with more electronegative atom, so it's form hydrogen bonding. So same here, polar nature of nitrogen-hydrogen bond in primary and secondary amine create intermolecular hydrogen bonding. The intermolecular hydrogen bonding is to greater extent primary amine than in secondary amine. Means in primary amine intermolecular hydrogen bonding is greater than in secondary amine. Why? Because primary amine have two hydrogen atom bonded to the nitrogen for hydrogen bond formation. As you have seen in this example, this is primary amine and there are two hydrogen bond which is attached or bonded with nitrogen atom and form hydrogen bonding. That's why intermolecular hydrogen bonding is to greater extent in primary amine than in secondary amine. As you have seen clearly in this structure, this is the intermolecular hydrogen bonding in primary amine and this line show the hydrogen bond. Tertiary amine do not have intermolecular hydrogen bonding. So it is very clear because in tertiary amine there is no hydrogen atom on nitrogen of tertiary amine. That's why there is no intermolecular hydrogen bonding. But due to polar nitrogen-carbon bond, tertiary amine are polar molecule and have intermolecular dipole-dipole attractive forces. So student, what is the difference? Primary and secondary amine have hydrogen bonding because of nitrogen-hydrogen bond and because of electronegativity difference between nitrogen and hydrogen. In tertiary amine, there are no hydrogen atom, that's why no hydrogen bonding, but there are nitrogen-carbon bond which is also polar, that's why there are intermolecular dipole-dipole attractive forces. Thus, intermolecular forces of attraction are strongest in primary amine and weakest in tertiary amine. Students, the boiling point of the amine is in the order of primary amine is having greater boiling point than secondary amine and then tertiary amine. Means it is the order of boiling point of isomeric amine, which primary amine is greater than secondary amine and then tertiary amine. This order of boiling point of amine can be explained on the basis of intermolecular forces present in amine. The lower aliphatic amines are gases with fishy odor, middle members are liquid and higher members are solid under ordinary temperature and pressure. Aniline and other aryl amines are usually colorless liquid but get colored as they are easily oxidized by air. Due to their ability to form hydrogen bond with water molecule, lower aliphatic amines are soluble in water. It is about the solubility of the amine. So, what is the condition? Due to their ability to form hydrogen bond with water molecule, means the amine which form hydrogen bonding with water molecule, these amines actually are the lower aliphatic amine and these are the soluble in water. Solubility of amine actually decreases with increase in molar mass of amine due to increase in size of hydrophobic alkyl group. Aromatic amines and higher aliphatic amine are insoluble in water. The hydrogen bonding in water molecule we can study by this structure. It is very clear, oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen. So when hydrogen is attached with oxygen, or nitrogen is more electronegative than hydrogen, so when hydrogen is attached with nitrogen, so it's form hydrogen bonding. Since nitrogen-hydrogen bond in amine are less polar than oxygen-hydrogen bond in alcohol. Always remember student, nitrogen-hydrogen bond in amines are less polar. It is polar but it is less polar than OH bond in alcohol. Water solubility of alcohol, amines and alkanes of comparable molar mass in water are always in decreasing order. Means alcohol more soluble, then amine, then alkanes. The order of boiling point of alkanes, amines, alcohol and carboxylic acid are comparable molar mass as alkane lower than amine, lower than alcohol, lower than carboxylic acid. Means carboxylic acid having high boiling point than alcohol, then alcohol having high boiling point than amine having high boiling point than alkane. So these are the intermolecular forces, boiling point and solubility of amine. The next topic in physical properties of amine students here, it is the order of water solubility of alcohol, amines and alkanes. This is the order of water solubility of alcohol, amine and alkanes. And next is the order of boiling point of alkane, amine, alcohol and carboxylic acid. This line is the order of water solubility of alcohol, amine and alkane, and this line is the order of boiling point of alkane, amine, alcohol and carboxylic acid. So from these two lines you can understand easily actually what is the order. The next topic is basicity of amine. Students, the basic nature of amine is due to presence of lone pair of electron on the nitrogen atom. You all are aware about the lone pair of nitrogen atom. In terms of Lewis theory, amines are bases because they can share a lone pair of electron on nitrogen atom with an electron deficient species. All of you know what is Lewis theory? The compound which share a lone pair of electron with electron deficient species is known as base. So same here, in amine, nitrogen atom which contain a lone pair of electrons share with an electron deficient species. Here we can see we can understand by this example. Here, trimethylamine share a lone pair of electron with electron deficient molecule boron trifluoride. Trimethylamine share a lone pair of electron with electron deficient boron trifluoride. That's why it is basic in nature. Basic strength of amine is expressed quantitatively as Kb or pKb value. All of you know, as I have already explained what is Kb or pKb. In terms of Lowry-Bronsted theory, the basic nature of amine is explained by following equilibrium. In this equilibrium, amine accept hydrogen means proton H plus, hence amine is a Lowry-Bronsted base. Why? Because amine accept proton. For the stronger base, this equilibrium shift towards right, thereby the Kb value is larger and pKb value is smaller and vice versa. For a stronger base, equilibrium is shift towards right. That's why Kb value is larger and pKb value is smaller. Same here, for weak base, equilibrium shift towards left. Kb value is smaller and pKb value is larger. I hope you understand the physical properties. The next topic is basic strength of aliphatic amine. As all of you know what is aliphatic. Aliphatic and aromatic. Aliphatic means open chain. So basic strength of aliphatic amine we can understand by pKb value, and basic strength of primary, secondary amine and ammonia can be represented by order of pKb value. So you have clearly seen that the order of pKb value for primary, secondary, tertiary and ammonia. Here ammonia greater than primary amine, then secondary amine, and tertiary amine is greater than secondary amine. The order of basic strength of ammonia, primary, secondary and tertiary amine is as follows. Ammonia is lower than primary amine, lower than secondary amine and greater than tertiary amine. Thus, as per the observed pKb value of the aliphatic amine, secondary amines are the strongest base. Observed pKb value of aliphatic amine. What is the conclusion? Secondary amines are the strongest base. So basic strength increases as we move from ammonia to primary amine and from primary amine to secondary amine. But basic strength decreases as we move from secondary amine to tertiary amine. So the basic strength and the corresponding pKb value depend upon the position of equilibrium. Greater stabilization of the conjugate acid, more on right side the equilibrium will lie, and stronger will be the base and smaller will be its pKb value. It is the condition. I am repeating here. Greater the stabilization of the conjugate acid, more on right side the equilibrium will lie, and stronger will be the base and smaller will be its pKb value. Actually, basicity of amine is related to the structural effect which influence stabilization of various species. Greater is the stabilization of the protonated amine, that is the conjugate acid, greater is the basicity of the amine. It is influenced by many of things, means in this first influence of plus I effect on stabilization of conjugate acid of aliphatic amine and ammonia, which we can understand by this structure. Students, what we are studying here? We are studying influence of plus I effect. All of you know what is plus I effect? On stabilization of conjugate acid of aliphatic amine and ammonia, which we can understand by this structure easily. In this structure, alkyl group exert electron. Student, all of you know this is the resonance structure, resonance type structure. Okay, so see here, in this structure an alkyl group exert electron releasing inductive effect, means plus I effect, which stabilizes positive charge on atom bonded to it. As we move from conjugate acid of ammonium, means NH4 plus, to that of tertiary amine, means R3NH plus, the number of alkyl group R bonded to nitrogen goes on increasing steadily. This results in increasing stabilization of the conjugate acid and thereby increasing order of basic strength, means order of stabilization. For this is ammonium, then RNH3, then R2NH2, then R3NH. Actually, what is the expected order of basic strength? It is NH3 lower than RNH2, lower than R2NH, lower than R3N. The expected order of basic strength on the basis of plus I effect differ from the observed order. Our observation is different and our expected order is different. So it is seen that the observed increasing basic strength from ammonia to amine and from primary amine to secondary amine is explained only on the basis of increased stabilization of conjugate acid by plus I effect of increased number of alkyl group. However, decreased basic strength of tertiary amine implies that conjugate acid of tertiary amine is less stabilized even through the plus I effect of 3 alkyl group in R3N plus H is expected to the large. This is suggestive of existence of another influencing factor in stabilization of conjugate acid of amine. So it is nothing but a influence of plus I effect. The next is influence of solvation. All of you know what is solvation. We have already studied in standard 11 about solvation. So, influence of solvation by water on stabilization of conjugate acid of aliphatic amine and ammonia, which we can understand by this structure clearly. It is see here, there are 4 structures, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, it is primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine and it is ammonia. You have seen clearly in this structure, the solvent water stabilizes the conjugate acid by hydrogen bonding through the hydrogen bond to the N plus, means nitrogen. The number of hydrogen atom bonded to the nitrogen decreases from 4 in ammonium to 1 in tertiary amine. As a result, ammonium is best stabilized by solvation, while the stabilization by solvation is very poor in tertiary amine. I hope you can understand, students. The solvent water molecule stabilizes the conjugate acid by hydrogen bonding through the hydrogen bonded to the nitrogen. the number of hydrogen atom bonded to nitrogen decreases from 4 to 1, means from ammonia to tertiary amine. So as a result, from ammonia to tertiary amine, ammonium is best stabilized by solvation, while the stabilization by solvation is very poor in tertiary amine. When we study the combined influence of plus I effect of solvation and on stabilization, if conjugate acid of aliphatic amine decide or observe basic strength and pKb value, so we can easily study these two factor influencing factor operate in opposite direction. Just see the solvation and plus I effect, both are in opposite direction. Solvation is increases from right to left, means from tertiary amine to ammonium, and plus I effect increases from left to right, means from ammonium to tertiary amine. Means the net result is that as we move from ammonia to primary amine to secondary amine, the basic strength increases due to better stabilization of the corresponding conjugate acid. But tertiary amine is weaker base than secondary amine because the stabilization of conjugate acid of tertiary amine by solvation is very poor. The next topic in physical property of amine is basicity of aryl amine. All of you know aryl, aromatic compound. So when we study the pKb value, so we can understand that aryl amine in general are weaker base than ammonia and aliphatic amine. Strength of aryl amine can be explained with the Lowry-Bronsted theory. We can understand by this theory, by this reaction. As we have clearly seen in this reaction, both the species base and conjugate acid are resonance stabilizers, but to different extent. Both the species means base and conjugate acid are resonance stabilizers, but to different extent. In aryl amine, NH2 group is directly attached to aromatic ring, as we have known. The lone pair of electron on nitrogen is conjugate to the aromatic ring and is less available for protonation. Aniline is the common example. So aniline is resonance stabilizes by the following 5 resonance structure. Many of time we are study the resonance structure of aniline. As we have clearly seen in this resonance structure, in this resonance structure or this 5 resonance structure, NH2 group is directly attached to aromatic ring and lone pair of electron on nitrogen is conjugated to the aromatic ring and less available for protonation. Aniline is resonance stabilizes by these 5 structure. Electron is easily moved from one conjugate bond to another conjugate bond. On the other hand, apart from this 5 structure of aniline, when we studied anilinium ion, so anilinium ion, see here, this is the anilinium ion. This anilinium ion obtained, how it is obtained? By accepting a proton and does not have lone pair of electron on nitrogen. As you have clearly seen, there is no lone pair of electron on nitrogen. Hence, it can be stabilized by only 2 resonance structure. Means aniline having 5 resonance structure, but anilinium ion having two resonance structure and therefore less stabilized than aniline. As a result, the equilibrium is shifted towards left. It makes aniline weaker base than aliphatic amine and ammonia. So these are the physical properties of amine.